All right, let's go, everybody. Monday, just sent out my MMT Trader report. The new issue just went out. Now, let's talk about what's going on. Okay, so 2600 proved to be a technical resistance level, as I said. Pull back from here, but it's not going to last very long. Just letting you know, we are going to shoot back up, and the market is going to continue on its rise. This is a temporary pause. We had Citigroup earnings come out today. I had that nailed. I put it out in MMT Trader. As a matter of fact, I sent out to my subscribers an option trade, a very low risk option trade for Citi. Made 100%. You doubled your money in basically one day. I sent that out on Thursday afternoon. Today's Monday. That option doubled your money in one day, 2 days, if you want to call it whatever. So that was fantastic. And I will be coming out with a new report. MMT Option Trader will be coming out shortly. But that trade doubled its money in a day and a half. Not bad. Everything is going as scheduled. All of the banking metrics are extremely strong. Now, this is very important. If you want a barometer of the economy, and by the way, if you go back to the period of August, September, October, those banking metrics were very sluggish, they were very weak, and that coincided with that soft patch in the economy. It triggered the sell-off in the stock market. We went to extreme oversold levels like we haven't seen in 20 years. That's all going to be reversed. But what I'm saying is the banking metrics have really accelerated. They started in November. They accelerated further in December. And now with the earliest readings that we are seeing in January, very, very strong. Very strong. The bottom is in for bank stocks. Remember that. Probabilities for Fed rate hikes. That's another interesting thing. Those probabilities collapsed in December when the stock market sold off and everybody said, oh, that's the end of the rate hike. I'm going to go on record right now. I'm going on record right now and telling you the Fed is not done raising rates. They will pause for a while, but that will just put them further behind the curve. The rate hikes will continue. This is a long-term thing, okay? Long-term thing. So, the strategy I have, well, why don't you sign up for my report, MMT Trader, and I will tell you the strategy that I have. Go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. Hey, some people already doubled their money in one day. They doubled their money. Doubled their money in one day. I had a guy who said to me, I paid for 5 years of subscription in one day. All right? US dollar going down. I'm telling you, slow process. We had that correction in 2018. US dollar going back down. Going back down. Gold, very interesting. If you see today, another mega merger in the gold mining complex. You had Newmont Mining buying Goldcorp to create the largest mining company we had last year. If you remember, Barrick Gold bought, who did they buy? Not Goldcorp, I just said that. Barrick Gold. I forget. Anyway, there was a big merger last year. This tells you that it is now cheaper for these mining companies, the big mining companies, to acquire reserves through these mergers and acquisitions than to actually mine for gold. That tells you something about the price of gold. It is going up. It is going up. Now, I'm not a gold bug. I don't believe gold is money. I've never subscribed to that ridiculousness. But I am a commodity trader. Gold is going up. Who did Barrick buy again? Why am I at a loss? Oh, Rand Gold. That's right. They bought Rand Gold. And today we saw that Newmont bought Goldcorp. So it is it is more cost effective now to acquire gold reserves through merger and acquisition than to actually mine for the stuff. It's getting hard to find new gold reserves. And very, maybe not hard, but very costly. Very, very costly. So, a lot of stuff going on, folks. There's a lot of stuff going on. We have the government shutdown. There is evidence in the fiscal flow data of that shutdown. I'm not going to tell you if it's good or bad. You got to get my report. Sign up for a 30-day free trial of my report, MMT Trader. I'll let you know. My information is real time every single day. Nobody else has that. Now I want to talk about something that's pretty funny. And it's a guy named Jeffrey Gooondlaaaccchhhhh. Everybody knows this guy, right? He's the new Bond King. After the old Bond King became the Bond Queen and the Bond Duke, and he's nobody now, Bill Gross, right? And Gooondlaaaccchhhhh is going the same direction. He said, the economy's going down. The economy's going down because I went to the debtclock.org and the debt is mushrooming out of... Sorry. I got a cold. Anyone who subscribed to this ridiculousness, this guy's supposed to be the Bond King. He's looking at this ridiculous debt clock, not understanding that the debt of the government is an asset of the non-government. Not understanding that the debt clock, by the way, if you go to the debt clock, and if you really look at that thing, it's at the usdebtclock.org. If you really look at that thing and you go way, way down to the bottom in teeny tiny little numbers, is the assets. Yes, 22 trillion in debt, 150 trillion in assets, and that's probably a low estimation. But that doesn't even matter, because the debt of the government is not a real debt. They own the printing press. They could always meet that debt. The debt of the government, what's important, is an asset of the non-government. We own the 22 trillion. We don't owe it. Okay, so but Gooondlaaaccchhhhh, he's fixated on it. He said the economy's going down because of this. People, I cannot believe, I'm just taking their money. I am taking their money, and all my subscribers are taking their money. It's so easy. It's so easy it should be illegal, but it's not. So hey, what am I going to do? Not take it? Of course I'm going to take it. All right, everybody. I got a little bit of a cold, so I'm going to let you go. But anyway, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. Double your money in one day. How's that? Have a great evening. Bye-bye.